Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Alright, I have a special video tonight because Miss Carla K asked me, how do you do your rotisserie chicken? And I have a recipe, it's just so simple, it's fun, okay? And I guarantee you, if you do your chicken this way, uh, it'll be one of the best recipes you have. Now, check this out. I have split, excuse me, I've split a whole fryer, and you want to get a small fryer. That's better. I don't show how I split the chicken because I'm not the best at cutting up a chicken, and if I'm not doing it the right way, I don't want somebody to follow my bad habits. Okay, so excuse me, I've already split it up. I've split it up so that I can season it really well. Okay, let me bring you all closer so I can show you exactly what I mean. All right, now that you guys can see what I'm doing, I want to take some Italian seasoning like a basil, okay? We're gonna take that, we're gonna liberally spice the inside of the chicken. We're gonna take some lemon pepper and do the same thing. Can you guess what I'm making? Italian lemon pepper chicken, yes. Rotisserie flavor. Now that you've done that, you want to put it in the container you're going to marinate it in. And I'm going to show you what we're going to marinate this chicken in just a second. Ooh, yes. All right. Let me quickly go and wash my hands. Now you're going to repeat your spices, okay? Start with your lemon pepper. You want that closest to the skin, okay? You're going to pull this back. Okay. You get that spice in there as well, okay? Pull that skin back. Get that spice up in there as well, okay? You want to get as much up in the meat as you can. All I'm using is lemon pepper, okay? Massage that in. Notice this is the clean hand. This is the one that touches the chicken. We're going to put in some basil over top. Now what we're going to do with your clean hand, get you any good Italian dressing, okay? You're going to pour that completely over the top of this chicken. Okay? This is going to be your marinade for the chicken. Flip him or her over to the other side. Okay? Just make sure all the meat is in the marinade. Use the whole bottle. Now, let me show you how this looks. Okay. All nice and covered and drenched in the seasoning. Let me wash my hands. I'm going to be right back. It has been 2 days since I put the chicken in the marinade, and look, it now looks like this. All the spices and everything have married with the chicken. Now I'm going to put this on the rotisserie for about an hour, and in an hour's time, we will have deliciousness. See, look how the marinade went all into the meat of the chicken. See that? Yes. All right, I'm gonna put it on the rotisserie, and we will have something wonderful. The bird is done. All you have to do is take off the spit and eat. Oh yeah. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. This was so easy. You can do it too. Bye-bye.